Welcome to our exciting showdown between two of the best mini portable washing machines on the market. Today, we will be comparing the Swatch mini portable washing machine and the Sangukiro portable washing machine. Both are designed for convenience and efficiency, perfect for travelers and those living in small spaces. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to washing capacity, the Sangukiro portable washing machine takes the lead with a generous 16-liter capacity, allowing users to wash more items in a single cycle. In contrast, the Swatch mini portable washing machine offers an 11-liter capacity, which is suitable for smaller loads but may require more frequent washes for larger items. This difference makes the Sangukiro a better choice for families or those needing to wash more clothes at once. The Sangukiro portable washing machine shines with its 3 distinct cleaning modes: a quick 3-minute wash, a normal 5-minute wash, and a heavy-duty 10-minute wash. This versatility allows users to select the appropriate cycle based on the soil level of their laundry. On the other hand, the Swatch Mini focuses on quick washes but lacks the variety of modes, which may limit its effectiveness for different types of laundry. Material quality is another important factor to consider. The Sangukiro portable washing machine is made from food-grade silicone and TPE, ensuring safety and gentleness for delicate items like baby clothes. In contrast, the Swatch Mini is constructed from standard ABS plastic, which, while durable, may not provide the same level of safety for sensitive fabrics. This makes the Sangukiro a more appealing option for those prioritizing material safety. In conclusion, both the Swatch mini portable washing machine and the Sangukiro portable washing machine have their unique advantages. If you prioritize a larger capacity and versatile cleaning modes, the Sangukiro is the way to go. However, if you need a lightweight and compact solution for travel, the Swatch Mini is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.